So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about CDK Global Recruitment Drive 2021 or CDK Global Off Campus Drive 2021. So before discussing further, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more job updates. So now let's discuss about the job profile, eligibility criteria and the application process and the interview process or the hiring process. So one by one we'll be discussing. So please watch this video till the end for more details. So about us, later you can go through all these things to know more about this company and about its product, etc. So now let's discuss about the key responsibilities or the eligibility criteria, etc. Job type, it's a full-time employment or full-time job. Job location, they're hiring for Hyderabad only, and position is the senior process associate, GL1 or L2, and team is the virtual implementation or the vehicle build team. Then shift timing will be 13 p.m. or you can say 1 p.m. to 22 p.m. That means 10 p.m. 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. 9 hour of working day or working timing, and Monday to Friday and Saturday Sunday is week off. And salary will be getting 3.5 LPA plus. And eligibility criteria is only 2019 and 2020 year of pass out or the batch candidates can apply for this job profile. If you belong to 2021 or 2018 year of pass out or batch candidates, no reach, you can apply for other job profiles or other companies or other off-campus drives because you are not eligible for this job profile. Only the 2019 and 2020 year of pass out or the batch candidates are eligible. So if you are not eligible, no issues, you can check our official YouTube channel Helpful Techniques. Here Dell, Accenture, KPIT, GE, Healthcare, Accenture, Cognizant, Juho, Google, all are hiring for different job profiles, and for most of the off-campus or the job profiles, 2021 year of pass out or the batch candidates are eligible. So don't miss these great opportunities. I'll be putting the links of this off-campus or the apply link in the description of this video. Please go through the description of this video and apply for the other job profiles. If you are not eligible or willing to apply for the other companies, you can apply. So now let's discuss about the qualification required. BSc, MCA or BE Tech, any stream. That means all the non-IT candidates as well as the IT background candidates can apply for this job profile. Then candidates must be having good or the very strong communication skills. Then now let's discuss about the principal responsibilities. So analyze OEM guides and update applications with new specifications and the guidelines. Ensure 100% quality while building and updating the vehicle package, etc. And build and update the documentation for the process, etc. So these are the basic responsibilities or the roles. Later you can go through all these things. So now let's discuss about the required experience or qualification required for this job profile. So prefer candidates that have one or more years of experience in communication with international clients and have excellent level of English communication and experience in delivering products for B2B clients is an advantage. Knowledge of experience with Python coding or Blue Prism would be added advantage. So these are the skills or experience required for this job profile. They have not asked for any specific or other programming languages like Java or C++, etc. If you know Python or Blue Prism, etc., it will add advantages. So now let's discuss about the selection process or the hiring process. So first of all, there will be an online test. It is common for everyone. That means if you are applying for this job profile, if your profile is being shortlisted or if your profile is suitable for this off campus, definitely they will be sending you a invitation link for the online test. It will be online or the virtual interview process. The date and time they have not specified here. After the registration window closes, they will be sending you the test invitation. Then technical interview, project manager interview or the managerial interview, and followed by a HR discussion or the HR interview. So HR interview is the normal interview process. First of all, you need to go through this 3 hiring process or the selection process. Then only you'll be getting the offer letter if you are being shortlisted. Then important guideline, online tested and time will be updated to the registered candidates. That means whoever is registering or applying for this off campus, they will definitely be getting the interview or the test link. Shortlisted candidates from the test should be available for the future online interview process. Candidates should be available for immediate joining. That means 0 to 15 months, 15 days. Sorry. So these are the selection process and the eligibility criteria. If you are willing to apply for this job profile, you need to simply click on the or enter your email address. After that, you need to verify your email address simply by clicking on the verify email address or button here. After that, you will be able to, after that your profile email address will get verified. Then you need to put your full name, contact number, university, college name, etc. You need to provide. I am not able to answer or you can say type anything here because I have not verified my email address. First of all, you need to verify your email address, then only you will be able to mention or provide all these things or fill up all these things. University, college name, graduation year of passing 2019 or 2020, you need to select graduation or degree, location. By then you need to click on the accepting the terms and condition etc agreement. Then you need to click on the submit button here. After that you'll be receiving a confirmation mail that you have successfully applied for this job profile or for this off campus. So this is all about the application process. So I hope all are able to understand the application process and other things. So if you have any doubts regarding this off campus, you can comment your doubts in the comment section below so that we'll be able to help you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching.